Hey guys, this week we're going to BGC because it's Holy Week, guys, and I don't need to be here in Manila kasi I don't have any classes and it's our break. So here's my fit. I'm wearing a Cromarts baby tee and I got this henna sa Fusion Alley, guys, for 250. Dun sila sa tabi, like sa tabi-tabi lang sila, naghehenna sila. My drip out chrome rings. I'm wearing Emily sweats and then Rick Owens Ed Hardy jacket, an MCM backpack, 656 for a 4-seater to BGC. Like, what the fuck?
Ha? Hindi, padala nyo yung mga tawa mo dyan.
Ano?
Realid kayo yun, bro. Pambayad dun sa may luba. Hi!
I'm mugged by Listana. Sarado na.
Pabalik dito.
Hindi pala siya sarado, pero feeling ko ubos agad yung tickets kaya sarado na. Nalaglag na yung ganyan ba talaga? Pag yung Stana. Baby.
Stop vlog.
Uy, di ba gusto mo yan makita yung portal? Gusto niya yan makita, di ba? Kunwari, ayaw niya makita. So, today, mag-gym lang ako and go to SM Aura and maybe massage. There's nothing that I like. Like, what are these pieces? Looking for attention.
Bruh.
6-7 mood.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's Twilight. Guys, this is my childhood. Guys, pinag-shopping spree ako ni ate. An eyeshadow na ilang months na namin hinahanap sa Dior. I want Rarity, Fluttershy, or Twilight. I don't want Applejack kasi she's kinda poop color, guys. Applejack, shit! Putang ina mo!
Feel so ashamed I ever
Dito na kami, guys. Kaya mag-vlog.
Kaya pa yung comment doon, Jasper?
So cute!
Alam mo sa gilid, hindi isuwan na sila.
Break time! Hey guys, so dito na kami sa BGC and kakain kami. Hi! It's my favorite. Mas talaga na outfit ko, guys. Parang yung Stana, I'm a big boss Oma, pero nakagoma. No? Ako.
Bruh.
Ano, pagod na pagod mo po.
Munchies. Ang sarap na sa'yo.
Todya. Gol.
Lanes.
Padala mo na yung mga gunner ko dyan, 50 meters away.
by me, managed by me. I'm his manager, guys. It's for ate.
Ako pumili niyan.
Hey guys, Hey guys, so Wednesday na ngayon and today, kahit na 5:48 PM na, ngayon pa lang ako nag-i-intro. Pero, kanina, vinidyo ko naman yung Dubai Chewy Cookie na kinain ko. That was my breakfast and lunch. And yeah, here's my fit, guys. So I'm wearing a Henley shirt from Cotton On. Bershka pants. This is called low rider pants, guys. I put my hair in braids kasi I don't like my haircut right now, guys. Nakakainis yung naggupit sa akin. Sabi ko, layered. Ginawa niya parang wolf cut.
Bruh.
I'm like back in 2022 with my wolf cut.
Now she's gay.
Yeah, now I'm gay. JK, I'm not gay, guys. I'm not queer baiting, okay? I am an ally, but I'm not gay. Okay. Hey guys, so tapos na ako kumain. Nakalimutan ko mag-vlog.
Combo.
What's this? Kakao, pizza, and truffle with Coco Crunch. Jelly bean on top.
Rate. Bruh. Rating. See?
Kadiri, diba?
Ayun, kasi yan yung ulit.
Ang graduation ng pinsan ko, guys. Ayun siya.
Guys, broken yung idol nyo, guys. Bakit? Lanes, anong ginawa mo dito, Lanes?
Hindi siya sumunod.
Anong masabi mo? Yan na, paano? Oh. Kanina pa yan ganyan. No, naka-record yan.
Bruh.
Yo, let me do the vlogging. So, guys,
Bruh.
Nagpapogi lang.
Go! No. Naglalaro kami ng imposter, guys. Oo, eh.